Now we're going to move into the section of the Shim Sham that is known as the half break. Basically, you're taking the break that you did during the Shim Sham section, and you are going to do it again, and you're actually going to do it twice, and there's another little step that goes in front of it. So it's a half break because I think you're doing one half is the break, and then the second half is also has the break. Try it. We're going to start by sort of springing onto your right foot and letting your left foot sort of come out behind you, like that. You're kind of jumping on that right foot. Spring. You're going to step back on that left foot. You're going to do a shuffle ball change. You're going to do that again. Spring, step, shuffle, ball change. Okay, so you're doing that twice in a row. Let's try it. You spring on 8, 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, and 2, and 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. From here you do the break. Step, tip, step, heel step, right, left. You do the whole thing again. Spring, step, shuffle, ball change. Spring, step, shuffle, ball change. Step, tip, step, heel step, right, left. Okay, so that's the half break. Let's do this a few times so you can get comfortable with it. For me personally, when you do that spring onto the right foot, I really like it if you stretch your arms out with the left arm coming up over your head and your right arm kind of pointing down towards the floor. So you have nice big arms on that. So if you do big arms, it makes things more impressive sometimes. So you have 5, 6, 7, spring, step, shuffle, ball change, spring, step, shuffle, ball change, step, tip, step, heel step, right, left, spring, step, shuffle, ball change, spring, step, shuffle, ball change, step, tip, step, heel step, right, left. 5, 6, 7, spring, step, shuffle, ball change, spring, step, shuffle, ball change, step, tip, step, heel step, right, left, spring, step, shuffle, ball change, spring, step,